Griddling is a fun new way to take advantage of the Searwood Pellet Grill's advanced functionality. Here are a few things to help you create delicious food with great results. Before griddling, you've got to remove the grill grates first. If you have a Searwood XL600 pellet grill, you can leave in the 12-inch grate. Now simply place the griddle onto the cook box. To cook on the griddle, set the grill to manual mode. Manual mode gives you a range of 10 steady fuel and fan speeds for more control as you cook with an open lid. Set at level 1 or 2 to keep warm, level 3 or 4 for pancakes and sunny side up eggs, level 5, 6, or 7 for roasting vegetables or paninis, and levels 8, 9, and 10 for smash burgers and stir fries. Depending on the outdoor temperature, the griddle temperature will vary slightly. There's no limit to what you can griddle on the Searwood Pellet Grill, so get outside and have some fun. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.